fitness and finance. This is I had before just tried a Zoom live, but now I'm trying it on a different software to sit. It didn't quite work out so well on the other one. So this video is about the finance side of things, because remember that my saying is that health is wealth. It's important that we be healthy, right? It's important that we be healthy. Health is wealth. Cash flow is king.
Trying it on a different
Here we go. It's working. Cash flow is king. Cash is queen. Credit. So try it again. So health is wealth. Cash flow is king. Cash is queen. And credit is freedom. Think about that. So in this particular cash flow formula, you may be familiar with or maybe not, and that's why I'm sharing it. Robert Kiyosaki has his own YouTube channel, books, and he's written lots on this subject. This is just a basic formula I'm sharing with you that I'm doing and passing along to you, and just kind of sharing some of my reasons. I post a lot of shorts during the week about Bitcoin and Ethereum updates, and this video will kind of share a little bit more about why. But the basic cash flow formula is the ESBI. E is employee, self-employed is S, big business like 500 employees or more business, and investments. And ideally, we, according to Robert Kiyosaki, we want our income to come from the B and the I quadrant better, because that way we're not trading time for money. So that way, if we can't go to work for some reason, we still have the income. We want that cash flow, right? Then what do we do with our cash flow? That's our income. So basic thing is to say, is he says, is to do what we can to put our income into assets, right? So basically, what are assets? Okay, got a call. I'm going to just put us on mute just for a second. Am I back? Sorry about that. I didn't want to miss that important call, and I didn't know when it was going to come in. I think we're back. Okay. So just in general, so we're talking about putting our income into assets. And what are assets? Real estate, crypto, gold, silver, stocks are assets, right? Those are some assets I'm looking at. But this is basically what I want to share with you. 4 basic trading strategies. This is one thing that I'm learning inside the academy. There's different types of trading. There's not just one kind of way of trading. Just want to make sure my volume is good. We have volume testing.
Putting our income into assets.
Gotcha. We are back. So there's position trading, basically buying and holding. Swing trading, trading the highs and lows of the week. Scalp trading, trading minutes and hours. And momentum trading, basically catching something as it's going up. I enjoy all 4. I'm just trying to learn, and there's pros and cons to each. So you have to kind of learn what's your style, right? Learn what's your style. So how do you learn? There's lots of different ways to learn. What I recommend is consider joining me in the academy, right? The academy, we have over 200 different instructors that when we have a live schedule every Sunday through Saturday. It's we have teachers teaching different things, very all kind of topics, beginners to advanced. The one I'm right now really digging deep in right now is the swipe coin, because I'm learning about the scalp trading, right? I'm learning about the scalp trading, which is I feel like it's one of the more challenging sides to learn, because there's just a lot. It's just there's a lot of price action with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So scalping, most people don't profit in scalping. But what I found is with this system, I've done a lot better, and I'm so grateful for the system. So I'm just going to share with you basically how it works, right? So when you get your system, and if you were to join the academy, you would get a swipe coin just like this, right? And I'm going to share with you how you would set it up. So first, thing we do is we turn candlestick to a line chart. Very simple, right? Very simple. And then what do? We're looking for touch points. So I'm going to do this very fast, because I have other work to do as well, but I want to share this with you and share with you how fast it is, because we all don't have a lot of time, right? We have other things going on. You have kids, you have work, things like that. And we just broke something. I wish I could have caught it before that, but that was our line right there. So that was actually our next line. So the next best time to get in, we'll have to see. I'm probably going to have to bring another point like that. Oof. I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna change this to red. Red. Then I'm going to add. Nope, that's not what I want to do. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna copy this form. Control C. Okay. Going to add it in. Control V. Okay. Okay. So really, you can see I actually went on Zoom and did this, and then now we just had this break right here. And I'm actually, the actual swipe coin, they gave us a call right here. I'm actually 20% up in a short trade right now. Short meaning the price is going to go down. But you can see now I've created zones, right? I've created zones. So right now I'm waiting on this. It just broke. Okay, it's called broke. I'm waiting on it to close on the 230 mark. I want to make sure it stays broken. It stays beneath the red line here for me, right? So now I'm just going to add in one of my favorite indicators, super trend, because super trend is our friend. Okay, super trend is our friend. Setting the settings to 1-1. You can see the arrow. It's definitely saying it's selling. Okay, it's telling us it's selling. So I'm going to save this. Okay, BTC, September 18th, 2022, 2:23 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Saving my work. And there we go. All right. Now that's it on the 15-minute time frame. Now let's quickly do Ethereum. Okay. Switching the candles to a line chart. Okay. Look at that. Wow. It just really had a nice break. I'm actually I don't mind that the price goes down, because that means for those of us that are buying more, it just gives us better prices to buy. So I'm actually grateful that it's going down. Let's see, it's going down, down, down by the river. So let's see. So maybe it's tough to say. Okay, but I really love it when sometimes the actual computer will give us some zones ideas. But look at that. So the last zone idea it gave us was here, break and close below. So if you'd have been following it then and took the trade, you'd have had all this short action. And I got in on the short action. I'm so happy and grateful that I did. Okay. Now let's add in indicator super trend. Super trend is our friend. Okay. Super trend is our friend. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's see here. And I want to save this. Ethereum, September 18, 2022, 2:24 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Yeah, okay. Now let's add in, I want to add in my can I get one? All right, okay. Okay, well, I'll bring us back here in a minute. I'm just gonna, let's see here, finish this first. Okay. All right, bam. Put in my zones. All right, resistance zone is going to be 1439 for now, plus 5, 1444. And resistance zone that it just broke. So we'll lay out the next zone. 1370 minus 5, 1365. Okay. All right. Well, there we are, right there. Okay. Now let's it's kind of. Sometimes I like to zoom out a little. Yeah. Let's look out the next zones. Just lay out a few extra zones here. Let's see here, just for the future to look for. Let's see here. A lot going on right there. Okay, I'll just leave it at that. Don't want to get too carried away. Those are two of my next zones that they'll just be look out for. Next landing zones. Okay. Price targets. All right. Okay. Well, there you got it right there. You got that? Okay. I'm going to copy this. Let's go here. I'm going to go back to the 15-minute time zone. Add in everything. Add in the candles. Add in this. Okay. Just to have a view there. That's the trading view. I'm going to put this on trading view too, so I can put my alerts. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Bam. Okay. Now I'm not going to, I'm watching it close right now, so I don't have to set I'm not going to set the, matter of fact, I'm going to cancel this for now. Put that back. Okay. All right. Because we just broke a zone, so I don't need any alerts to tell me if we're breaking a zone. Because look, we just broke a zone right here. Broke it. Okay. And I'm up at least 20% in a scalp trade. I'm feeling happy and grateful for that. I would love to show you, but some businesses feel like this enticement, and by doing that, I break the community violations, and they can close my IM Academy account down. So that's not something I want to do right now. But here we go. Just to kind of summarize, here's our resistance zones and support zones for Bitcoin for scalp trading. Look at that, how it just broke. Bam, right? That is just beautiful. And then here's our Ethereum. Look at that. So earlier, I've been following this ever since this. And wow, what a call from the computer. What a call. And then also here, I've been following it, taking shorts from here. Beautiful, just beautiful, just so sweet action, right? That's just some sweet action right there. All right, so I feel so grateful for that. All right, now that's about it. So if you have, okay, well, let's just real quickly take a look at weekly, big picture stuff. Big picture right here. So this is the Bitcoin on the big picture. If you don't understand candles at first, I know this might make a little more sense to you. You can kind of see that big picture right there. Look at that. And then you can look at these numbers, how high price has gone already. And here's Ethereum. Look at the price action that we've gotten on Ethereum since it started. So that's our big picture weekly view on the Ethereum look. That's on the Bitcoin look. I'm just going to zoom it down just like one little step at a time, but I will. Well, first I'm going to put candles on, because once you understand candles do tell a story. So, and the thing is I have a book on candles. I'm learning candles. It's the more things you learn, the more information I feel like I have as a trader. I can just make better decisions. And I feel like it's nice when you have like 5 or 6 things telling you that you're on the right track. So let's just kind of show you how that works, how you can get more answers, more insight into what's going on. So that's it. Now this is, I'm going to add back my high drawings. Okay, this is indicators. Okay, I just added a few indicators here on this. I'm going to have my drawings, hide drawings, hide indicators. Okay. So here's some of my drawings on the weekly. Oh, let's see here. Let's zoom it down a little bit to the day. You can see, yeah, we're just breaking resistances right now. Right? 3 hour. Candles are nice here. 3 hour. 1 hour. Look at that. Price action there. 15 minute. And that's really where I'm at on the scalp trading. It's the 15 minute. It's all for what we do at IM Academy. With scalp trading, it's all about the 15 minute. My basic formula for my income into assets is I'm just dollar cost averaging with crypto primarily and everybody's make up your own decision, but just primarily into Bitcoin and Ethereum. I have other investments like you saw in the beginning. I like other assets, but this is it. But I don't even really look at this. A lot of times we use TradingView as just for indicators only, but look at the detail in this. Once you learn your zones and everything, this is just so amazing right here. Gives you really clear pictures here. Okay, so that's for the Bitcoin price action here. This is what we're looking for, and this is on the Ethereum. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions about the Academy or anything, and just I'm gonna let us go with this. So remember that health is wealth, cash flow is king, cash is queen, and credit is freedom. We want to take our income, whether we're an employee, a self-employed, a business owner, or an investor, take our income, according to Robert Kiyosaki, put it into assets. What are assets? Cryptocurrency, real estate, silver, gold, stocks, bonds, those kind of things. Whatever you're comfortable with, they're all assets. So, but what else can we do to make money in the meantime? We can scalp trade, right? I wouldn't really say scalp trade is investing. It's more of an act, because it's an active thing. You're in, you're out. So it's kind of like, you're actually kind of working for that money. So position trading is kind of buying and holding. So, all right. Well, that's it for now. If you have any questions about the Academy, then please consider joining the Academy with me. If you refer 2 people, you get your membership for free. If you are good at referring people and you believe in it, then you can earn a commission. If you have about 500 subscribers on your IM Academy, that is around $10,000 a month, right? So that's a nice income. So that's something to think about and consider. We have 200, I think if it was 250, 250 subscribers is about 5,000 a month. So just, whatever you're motivated for, either way is okay. You may just want to participate in the Academy and just be a student, and that's okay too. I am a student of this game. I feel like a baby in this world, but you know, we put our time in, we learn, and we make the most of it, right? We do the best we can with what we got. So, all right. So I'm going to let you go with that in mind. So remember that cash flow is, okay, here we go. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. Cash flow is king. Cash is queen. And credit is freedom. See you on the next lesson.